Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In today's video, we are not going to talk about one stock for buy and one stock for sell for tomorrow because tomorrow is a holiday, friends. But we are going to talk something which is even more interesting, friends. Okay, I am going to talk about Bank Nifty analysis and I am going to talk about Apollo tires here. Okay, so coming to Bank Nifty analysis, friends, I would like to first show you a small video here. And in case of Bank Nifty, if I pull it up on a daily chart, from here there is absolute no resistance, friends. Straight till the top there is no resistance. But will we be so bullish? This is like good 1200, 1300 points. The answer is no. Who will sell if it is continuously going up? So be cautious. Yes, there is no resistance, but this is when the market makers will understand that everyone is bullish and try to make the market to come down, friends. Hope you understood the logic behind that. So hope you saw that video. That was a video clip from yesterday, friends. And now I'm going to show you another video which is from the day before yesterday. Okay. Fibo followed by extended till where it has gone down, friends. Okay, that will give you a Fibo extension upwards. Okay, eventually this would be a target where it shows 1. So hope you liked that part as well. But now what is important, friends? In yesterday's video I showed you that level which is around 40, friends. Okay, zoom it. Exactly at that levels, okay, we saw a rejection, friends, and from there Bank Nifty turned down, straight closed the gap, friends. We have implemented something called gap theory here, closed the gap and started moving upwards. Now this is the power of technical analysis, friends. I hope you understood the logic. Yesterday's and day before yesterday's video explains everything. I don't have to talk about all that again, but the point here is it could have turned from say 680, or it could have turned from 600, or it could have turned from 880, it could have turned from 41,000. Nothing like that happened, friends. It turned exactly from where we predicted it to turn, friends. Isn't that magic? That's not magic, friends. That is what is technical analysis. That is the power of Fibonacci, friends. Anyways, I hope you have seen that complete video, because if you're serious about trading in your making money through trading, you should definitely go ahead and see that video that talks about Fibo based trend extension, friends. And if you have still not subscribed to the channel, I would request you to subscribe and also ring that bell so that you don't miss on any videos that I am posting on the channel and wonderful learnings that are coming through, friends. Now coming to our stock Apollo tires, which we were going to talk about today. See, friends, now Apollo tire is at a all-time high if you look at it in like 1 hour. Let's not go through the complete stock. The reason is we would not be looking at data which is even more redundant or far away. So if I am looking at Apollo tires from a 1 hour time frame, okay, that is a sufficient enough data for us to talk about it, friends. So coming to same thing which we just talked about, Fibo trend extension. So friends, when I'm drawing a Fibo based trend extension on this from the recent bottom here to the recent top here, that was one of the swing, followed by extension till this particular bottom. What do we see? We see that this was its target, okay, which is almost achieved, friends. Okay, we have almost achieved the target. Now what next on this stock? Good question. See, currently we are bullish on all stocks, friends. So let's draw a simple Fibo for this area. How do we draw that? Let me delete all this. And from the recent bottom till the recent top, see, you can easily expect a first retracement till 270 friends, followed by upward move. And how much will be the upward move this time? Again, we'll have to pull it up through Fibo extension, and that will be like this, friends. See, so this is a very bullish kind of a level that we are expecting. I am sure most of the brokerage houses would have given these levels already. So 301 would be a level which all the brokerage houses would have given with this kind of an extension that they might have drawn, friends. Okay. However, we are still bullish on the stock, and as of now, what do we see? We don't see any kind of pattern that is forming in at least 1 hour. Let's move to 5 minutes to see if there is any pattern that is forming. There is a kind of a head and shoulder, but no, this shoulder is much above that. We don't see any clear pattern like that. However, yes, we are still bullish on the stock, friends. Once this trend line is broken, you can go for a buy, friends. Okay. Currently, it is under selling trend because of our breakdown at this levels. And what would be the target? I already told you, it is around 170. This is where we are seeing the first level of retracement, friends. From here, it will start moving upwards. And if you are able to locate a better trend line than this, okay, for a buy, that will be wonderful. Once we start moving downwards, I am sure it will create few bottoms and few tops, and that's when there should be this trend line. At the breakout of this trend line is what you should select for a buy, friends. I hope you understood the logic behind it, and I hope you liked the video. If you did, do subscribe to the channel. Also share it with your friends and family members, basically anyone who is looking forward to make money from stock market. I have seen that the subscriptions are not increasing, friends, and that doesn't give me a very positive signal to make videos and give you such learnings that I gave you in Bank Nifty. Similar learnings, if you are looking forward for such learnings, make sure that the subscription count comes up, and I'll also be more than excited to create more and more videos for you and more learning for you. And the link for Telegram channel is at the bottom. Please subscribe to the channel as well. Follow the channel. You'll see all the latest updates and also trades in live market, friends. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful weekend ahead.